Okay, and now for the frustrating part, getting the breaker bar on all of the head bolts, and wow, they are torqued in so tight. I actually had to get Bill to come help me. He's done this many times before. I wish I was being a bit more educative here, but so there is an anti-warp removal pattern to this, but we weren't so concerned with that because we figured minimally this van was going to need a new head anyway.
We expect this head needs some work at minimum. I mean, either the head needs work or the engine's getting tossed. I don't imagine there's much point in saving the replacement of these heads, or these bolts.
Damn, I'm like putting all my weight on this right now.
All 130
All right,
pounds.
Let up. I'll slide it back to you a bit. Did we hit record?
Yeah.
All right, you're a little too high. Or actually, we can go a little bit farther before we go wheels and all. Okay. Oh, something's hung. Alright, and now we are against it here.
So I need to tie that down somehow.
Oh, the Egyptians would be proud of us.
I just got to pan around there. Egyptian magic? Back to modern technology, removing the diesel engine when you don't have the proper tools. You just want to grab the other side there, we'll down here, and hopefully it'll wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
That was a lot better than the last time.
That was, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was.
Number 3 is where we had no compression, and that looks pretty well beat up. Actually, see that scarring in there?
Oh, yeah.
Something's been in here beating around. There's a loose part in there. There's a piece of an injector or something. That might be it right there. There's a little piece of debris that's poking out where it should be where it shouldn't be. Something fell down in that engine. They fired it up anyhow. I know what that looks like. Trust me.
Oh, fuck.
Yeah, that's pretty much gonna make or break this project. Oh, that does not look good in number 3 at all. Wow. Wow.
That's done.
No, that's not dead, it's resting.
Engine is toast. That's a hole in the piston. Rip in peace. Actually, rip in pieces. So this is Blue Stripe, the one that had a nasty lower end knock.
Oh, fuck.
But the knock we were thinking was lower end.
Everything's looking really good in here, and I'm gonna have Bill turn the engine over. Hard to show you how smooth it is, but I mean, it's significantly smoother than the Deuce.
Got a little rattle there from the chain is all. Actually, I might be able to hold that up and not stop the rattle. Oops. That crank's pretty good, huh?
It does. That volt might just be oil getting sucked up into the pump as we're turning the engine over, but
I mean, every single one of these just looks significantly better than what we saw in the Deuce.
this engine may be worth saving. The Deuce, however, no, there's no saving it. It's really not worth rebuilding. There's way too much rust on it to even consider. So this van's done. That's the end of this project. We'll see about Stripe. I really want to pull the oil pan before we get too far into it. I hope you guys enjoyed this little mini-series diving into the Deuce to figure out what went wrong with it. If you'd like to see more Sprinter deep dives like this, be sure to leave a like and subscribe. Hit the bell so you don't miss any of our videos. And until the next video, peace out, guys.
Now that's what I call a dead parrot. No, he's stunned. Stunned? Yeah, you stunned him just as he was waking up. Norwegian blues stun easily. Oh, my lord, I've had enough of this.